Did you hear about the latest twist in Zimbabwe's politics? Let's break it down. President Emerson Mnangagwa has removed Frederick Shava from his position as Foreign and International Trade Minister. Shava, who had represented Zimbabwe at the UN and served since 2021, faced challenges amid international isolation. Replacing him is Amon Murwira, previously the Higher and Tertiary Education Minister. This move is part of Mnangagwa's ongoing efforts to navigate Zimbabwe's political and economic crises. But will it be effective? Martin Rushweil, Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, announced the change without giving specific reasons. Many speculate it's linked to Mnangagwa's plans to extend his rule beyond 2028, amidst growing factionalism within ZANU PF. Only time will tell if Murwira can steer Zimbabwe through its complex domestic and international challenges. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thanks for watching.